Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Dinkle, and today I'm going to show you all 5 ways to shoot with a GoPro indoors. Also 5 different ways to shoot with a GoPro outdoors. So stay tuned, stay till the end because something really cool is coming up. Don't miss out. Let's start with the easiest shot. We luckily found this hole in our society garden. All we need to do is place our GoPro in it and put on a timer. Look out for such small details while you're traveling or in your surroundings. They can actually take your pictures to next level. Have a look at our pictures. We literally shot it in 5 minutes. If you're looking for some aesthetic pictures, this is for you. You can shoot this with your phone as well. It gives the same effect. All you need to do is place your camera on floor and stand on some height. One quick hack, you can use a stool as well. Place your foot, hand in front of camera, start posing. This will add more depth to your picture. This is me trying some poses. Look how cool the pictures turned out. I'm telling you, small tricks can work a long way. And also try capturing sky as much as you can. It really looks cool. Well, we decided to add a natural frame to our pictures. Also, we needed it to be a little colorful. So, thought of plucking them. All you need to do is actually place them on the floor. That's it, and put your GoPro in it. You don't need to work hard to make it look effortless. It's actually effortless. These are the pictures from the day. We found this really cute plant or almost tree, and guess what I did? Well, isn't it obvious? Placed my GoPro on it. Look how our pictures turned out. I'm really impressed. It didn't even take 1 minute to click these pictures. It was super easy and quick. Let's talk about low angles on GoPro. These are the most important and results turn out really promising. Easiest way to make it work is place it close to your foot and just start posing. Also, extra marks for his overacting, I might say. Yes, and you can add some props like a cycle or a skateboard. Also, one more tip, make sure to use your surroundings in your picture, like we are using this building. Just remember, place the GoPro on the ground and stand close to it. That's it. You don't have to do anything. The GoPro will do it all. Well, let's make use of our quarantine snacks. I am using this pack of Kurkure. You can use anything from a biscuit to a polythene bag as well. Cut it from the top and place your camera inside. Yes, you heard me right. Just put the camera inside the pack. And start posing. This is how my picture turned out. Guess what we are using next to become a home pro? Yes, washing machine. Just place your camera at the bottom. Those circles will act as your frame and just start posing. This is how my pictures turned out. Well, this is how I look when my mom makes me do some work. Ha, these are the perfect quarantine pictures. Let's play with some matchboxes to build a fort. You can actually use your blocks as well. I made my sister to sit in front of camera and this is how it turned out. Also, while using elements in small spaces, make sure to place them near your camera. I hope you liked it. Use threads instead of matchboxes now to add some color and make it look creative. Just place them in front of camera, near your camera. It will help you to cut out unwanted background and make your profile look really creative. This is how it should look. It's summers, it's time for mangoes. Posing with it is mandatory. Take that box and place it properly. I don't have a terrace, but if you do, please keep it over there because sky in background looks the best. Also put some grass over the GoPro, it will give a good texture to the picture. This is how my pictures turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, guys. It really means a lot to me. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. I'll make sure that you won't regret it and you'll learn something new in each and every video and it will help your social media life for sure. Also, big thanks if you already have subscribed to my channel. See you Wednesday. Bye bye. Take care. Stay indoors. Stay safe.